I sowed some, I hope I'm saying this correctly, sunflower seeds in this pot. I'm seeing some kind of, something is germinating and making some kind of formation, germinating. Where I can see it looked like a seedling, but I'm not sure. Moving the camera too quick. I'm not sure right now, but we shall see in a few days, weeks, whatever, what's going to be happening in this dirt, this soil, potting mix. Potting mix. Look, camera about to cut off. Boy, I'll be happy when I get another camera, but I'm grateful for this camera. But surely need another one. People that support this channel, family members, YT supporters included. If you want to support this channel financially by helping me get a camera, feel free to do so. This is not begging. This is really, really great asking. Don't pay me no mind. But it doesn't hurt the ask, does it? Maybe somebody would like for me to continue with my journey of all the things I do on this channel. Or maybe not. Considering how low my views are. Don't pay me no mind. Sometimes I'm just sillier than silly. And I'm probably moving this camera too fast. But I'm really trying to get a good view of this dirt so I can check it out myself and see what looks like what. It's happening. Could be weeds. I hope it's not that nestle stuff. That's that stuff I told you guys was horrible weed in my plants. It's called nestle, with those tiny hairs that prick you. Oh, it's horrible. Wear gloves if you have that kind of weed. I found a site on the internet that was sharing the different names of different types of weeds. I have to keep on studying that in case I get a different weed and I want to know what it is. Anyway, I moved over to my succulents that I propagated, and they look like they're doing fine. They're holding on. This one even got some new leaves on it. Jades, Sansevieria, Rosetta. I'm gonna get good with these names eventually. Don't take too much time if you really care. And the light jade is still alive, still alive. And the pieces that I put in the dirt are still alive. So this one has what? 4 big leaves and 2 babies in the middle. Check back and see what it's doing at a later date. These are my new babies, and I think they even got a couple of new leaves since I put them in here. It rained the other day. Now this one, this cacti, it looks okay, and then again it looks like it's stressed. It did get some rainwater on it. It wasn't my doing. It's nature. Nature, it rained. So everybody looks to be doing good. I'm gonna keep a record. These leaves, what I'm looking at now. Inside of here, how many leaves are in there? How many leaves are on there? I think this one got a little taller. This cacti looks stressed. This one, I know I moved the camera really quick. Hope this thing is still recording. This is my little baby propagation, and it looks so pretty. Look at all the different kind of succulents in here. The rosetta, I love that rosetta. Stacks of succulents on top of each other. Square flapjacks. Hope y'all can hear me. Okay. I put my plants up on some stands to make room. The mint, it just got wild. That rain got all over it. The new growth on that mint, spearmint. Those baby leaves are so pretty and dark green. I don't know if it's showing up on here. Hope we're still recording. This one looked like it got a little bigger. Like I said, it rained and everything got wet. I switch stuff around. Trying to move slow. This is the pot. Ooh, look, they got bigger. The elephant jade, getting new leaves. That's the oregano. That's that other jade plant. That's my burrow's tail. It's a big one. I'm gonna have to move that. Trying to move slow. And this is my trailing lemon thyme. I kept it out of the rain. It still looks good. Okay, I'm gonna check this video, see if it's recording, but that's it for now. Okay, you guys, the plant that I said was stressed earlier, I took it out of that pot with the succulents and I put it in this pot. You can see it's sand on top, so hopefully it dries out. You can see lots of new stuff on the inside. There's some new leaves in there, but it's in sand now. Hopefully that fixes the problem, because I don't want to lose this brand new plant. I like this plant. So that's that. And I replaced it with a rosetta. I took it out of this pot with the other new plants. Hope y'all can see this because the sun is in the way. I put some rosetta in here, propagated a rosetta plant in here, so that's what's in here now. So it's all, now this plant here, which I hope to see to find a name for this plant soon, is succulent-like to me, so this one probably will be okay in here with these guys, other guys. So, but the other one was cacti. I don't know. I'm gonna look at some pictures and see what this is. But it looked like it got some new leaves on there. The little fresh little baby leaves since I've had it. Maybe I gotta compare it to the first picture, huh? But anyway, that's what I wanted to just do. I did that. I repotted the cacti in its own pot. Moving, trying to move slow. And we'll see if that solves the problem. If it boosts back up and it takes back off and gets greener, because right now it looks stressed. Shall see in a week. And give it an update. I almost forgot to share my homemade hanging pot. I got that wire from the Dollar Tree. I don't know where I put the package at, so I could show you guys what the name was. Well, anyway, it was in the garden department, and I got the pot from the Dollar Tree, and you can see I have 4 holes on the side, and I just took the wire. Okay, here's the product. Flexible tie, and this is from the Dollar Tree. That's the name of it. seems to be some good stuff. So anyway, I just made this little hanging pot. The pot came from the Dollar Tree too, and I just put my little plant in there. Hopefully it takes off and it gets full like this mint. This is the look I want. This is the look I'm going for. Trying to move slow. But anyway, I just wanted to share that and let you guys see I made a homemade, is it a macarena or whatever? I forgot what you call it. But anyway, that's it.